Simplify the square root of 202 over 256. First, look for a number that divides both the numerator and denominator. 2 divides both. Dividing both by 2 keeps the fraction equal. Take the square root of the numerator and denominator separately. In the denominator, 128 equals 64 times 2. The root of 64 is 8, so move it outside. The denominator still contains square root 2. Rationalizing removes that root. Square root 2 over itself equals 1. Multiply by this factor. The value stays equal. Multiply across the numerator, then across the denominator. On top, multiply the roots to get square root 202. On the bottom, square root 2 times itself is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. The simplified exact value is square root 202 over 16.